Welcome to our channel. If you have a Synchrony virtual card and want to use it for online shopping, follow these simple steps to activate it. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Synchrony Bank website or log into your Synchrony account through the mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to the My Account or Card Services section to access your virtual card details. Step 3. Look for the option labeled Activate Virtual Card or Generate Virtual Card Number and click on it. Step 4. Follow the prompts to create your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. This information is generated specifically for secure online transactions. Step 5. Write down or save your virtual card details in a secure location, such as a password manager, for future reference. Step 6. When making an online purchase, enter your Synchrony virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code at checkout, just as you would with a physical card. Step 7. Review your transaction details before completing the purchase to ensure all information is correct. Step 8. Your Synchrony virtual card is now activated and ready to use for safe and secure online shopping. You can generate new virtual card numbers as needed to protect your primary account information from potential fraud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.